Investing can feel overwhelming, but anyone can build wealth with the right strategies. Here are some smart money moves to help you invest like a pro, even if you're just getting started. Step 1. Start with a clear goal. The first step to investing is knowing why you're doing it. Are you saving for retirement, buying a home, or building wealth for future generations? Clear goals shape your strategy. Long-term goals, like retirement, allow for more aggressive investments, while short-term goals benefit from safer options. Write down your goals, timeline, and target amount. This roadmap keeps you focused and gives each dollar a purpose. Step 2. Build a strong foundation with an emergency fund. Before diving into investments, establish a safety net. Life is unpredictable, and having an emergency fund, typically 3 to 6 months of expenses, lets you handle unexpected costs without dipping into investments. Think of it as your financial foundation. It keeps you steady, allowing your investments to grow without interruption. Step 3. Diversify your investments. Diversification is a pro move that reduces risk. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Within stocks, diversify by sectors and geographies. This way, if one sector underperforms, others can balance it out. Consider index funds and ETFs for a simple way to diversify your portfolio. A well-diversified portfolio can protect against market volatility and increase your potential for long-term growth. Step 4. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Utilizing tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks and IRAs helps your money grow faster. Contributions to traditional 401ks and IRAs are tax-deductible, reducing taxable income today, while Roth IRAs grow tax-free, with tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Maximizing contributions to these accounts can lead to substantial tax savings, which boosts overall returns. Pro investors know that reducing tax liabilities is key to growing wealth efficiently. Step 5. Automate your investments. Consistent investing is key to building wealth. By automating your contributions, you stay on track, regardless of market ups and downs. Dollar cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly, reduces the risk of timing the market and ensures you're buying in at various price points. Automation removes emotional decision-making, helping you stick to your plan. Step 6. Monitor and adjust your portfolio. Even pros review their portfolios regularly. Markets change and life goals shift, so check your portfolio annually to ensure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Rebalancing, adjusting your asset allocation, keeps your portfolio balanced. For example, if stocks have outperformed, your portfolio may be more aggressive than you intended. Rebalancing ensures you stay on track with the right mix of assets. Investing like a pro isn't about luck, it's about smart decisions and consistency. By setting goals, diversifying, using tax-advantaged accounts, automating contributions, and regularly monitoring your portfolio, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Start today, make steady progress, and you'll be on your way to building wealth like a pro. Financial freedom is within reach with the right moves.